Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create another empty page on Google Sites. So first you just have to open an empty, or let's just say one of their template here. Click to open. So you can change the title page, you can add image here. For example, this one is a blog. In order for you to create another empty page right here, all you have to do is tap on the pages. Now you will see this plus icon below. In order for you to add another page in this page, you just have to click new page right here. And then after that, you can add a name to this page. So for example, let's just say this one is page 2. Now what if inside, or if you want to create another or sub page on this page too, how are you going to do that? All you have to do is to simply click this one. You will see this three dots on the right side. And what you're going to do here is you have to click that one. You will have your options, including sub page or add sub page. Just click on the add sub page. Let's just say for the sub page, you're going to name this as ADS. Okay. And you can add again another sub page. So if you want to add again a new page, just click on the plus icon and then tap new page. So that's it. That's how easy it is to create another empty page on Google Sites. And each page you can edit, you can add image, you can add blocks, you can add forms or links. Everything is up to you. Once you're done, then you can tap on the publish button right here. And after that, you can now paste, or you can now promote this page to anywhere. So basically, that's how easy it is to create another empty page on Google site. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.